Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the 7 deadly sins Origin game not working, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. The restart process may differ from phone to phone. So after restarting your phone, check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should check if there is any internet connection problem. So you should make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. Next is to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now after this, check if the game is opening or not. You should also check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, the 7 Deadly Sins Origin, and here you should check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If the game still shows the same error and not launching, you should install a VPN to access the app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of them and after that log into it, change the location and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and after that go below, click on system update and here you will see if there is an update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues and you are suggested to reinstall the game, for that click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After that, again go to Google Play Store. From the search option, search for the game and finally click on the install option. So after installing the game, now check if the game is opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.